Hi, my name is Stephanie Paxman. This is my final website for COMM 310. I'm going to walk you through my site, show you what I have here for my content, and explain some of the design choices that I made. To start out, a Cricut is an electronic die cutting machine. It'll cut paper and vinyl and other material. And in my About page, it describes that the purpose of this site is to show other people how to use their machines, give tips and hints on how to use it, give tutorials to show how to use their machine to make different products. The color scheme that I went with was an analogous color scheme with blues and greens next to each other on the color wheel. It was loosely inspired by the actual Cricut brand, which has a green color as their main color. There's a tutorials page where you can click on the captions here and it'll give you a grid alignment of pictures set up in a gallery. There's the tips over here on the left with the background in one of my colors. The links here are linked to actual blog posts on my own blog, just so they could all have a link to go to. And the idea is that you click on this link and it gives you instructions on how to make the actual project. And then the products page is set up kind of the same way. These captions go to links where you can buy different Cricut products. There's a contact page where this form someone could fill out with a question or suggestion for the site. Some of the other design things that I tried to do, I have the last word of my menu is aligned on the right with my main image. And then I put this background color on the bottom to kind of give some movement to the page, add a little bit of weight to encourage visitors to keep scrolling down. Same thing with the About page, there's that background color there. And then proximity also I used to make sure that these captions were close to the image that they went with, and these headings are close to the text that goes with them. And then some of the things that I learned, in addition to just learning more HTML and CSS, of course, I learned the importance of having a Photoshop layout so that you could have a visual map and guide of what you wanted your site to look like in the end. And then the importance of a style guide also. It seemed like a lot of decisions to be making right at the beginning, but then it made coding the site so much easier because I could just go look and see the styling that I had planned out and copy it over, and then my site would match. I would say that the hardest thing was having design ideas of maybe how I wanted something to look or line up, and then not being able to figure out the right way to style that in CSS. So there were a couple of things that I just ended up cutting at the end in the interest of time to make sure I met all the requirements. So I'll look forward to learning those things in the future. Thanks for watching about my site and for the feedback and help that I got throughout the semester as well.